My name's Maura. I am a charge nurse at Children's Hospital Colorado, and I also work as an affiliate faculty member at Regis University in their nursing skills lab for current nursing students. I met Tim a few years ago. He was the lender when we purchased our first home. He's been working with us for a couple years to get us into the right home. He was able to meet with us whenever we needed him. He was always available, and he found the right program that met both of our needs to get into our home. I think throughout the whole process, Tim was always very available. Obviously, being a nurse, I work long hours, so I can't always be on the phone, back and forth. So email, texting, he was always there to talk to me after work, really whatever it took to help get us through the process. He was really knowledgeable about all the available programs that are out there for any home buyer, not just first-time home buyers. And he was able to tailor one that would meet our needs and what we could provide and the assistance that we needed to help us find the right home that we could be in for years. In my mind, I always thought that you needed a huge down payment, like 20%, to be able to get into a home, but Tim was able to open my eyes to the fact that there are programs out there that can help you get into a home for 3% down payment or even less. The nursing program is something which Tim said arose after kind of an experience with like a medical emergency, and he had this idea to create this program for nurses and give something back to them, because as nurses we give back, which I think is a very cool idea and just something that's needed, and it's just able to really help nurses or those in the field get into a home when they otherwise maybe couldn't. So when we were in our home search, I think it's a common thing that people know they have to have X amount of money for a down payment for their house, but not necessarily the large amount that closing costs can be, that you also have to be prepared for. I think that the Nightingale Benefit Program is going to be a huge benefit for nurses, just because it can help between both American Dream Mortgage and the realtors who are working on the program, that it can cover most, if not all, like up to several $1,000s of closing costs. I heard about it. I had started doing some research when we were looking for different mortgage lenders and different programs to help us provide like assistance with getting our first house. And I saw like multiple places had different programs for different professions that were out there, but nothing specifically for the nursing professions or any nurses out there. And then I had heard about the Nightingale program and was obviously interested in it and the way that it could benefit the nurses as a whole and the nursing profession, and just that it really is something that's genuinely there to help them, not a roundabout way to get anything else, but just to help them get into a home and give back. I think this program is also able to succeed and will be beneficial due to the generous contributions of not only the lenders, but the real estate realtors who are working with this program. I would definitely be open to answering any questions. You can always reach out to Tim and he can get in contact with me.